Can you tell what this data represents? On the x-axis here, we have the letters of the English language, and on the y-axis, we have the frequency of that letter. Take a look at the letters and the data and see if you can try to figure out what this is representing. Pause if you need more time. The frequencies here of each letter show the relative abundance of each letter in the English language. You can see the letter E here is the most abundant letter used, while the letter Z is the least frequent. Here's another graph of data of letters. This one's also really interesting. You can see at the top, J is the most common, while Q and X are the least common. Can you guess what this graph is representing? This graph is showing the most common first initials for all people on Wikipedia, meaning that the most common first letter of the name starts with J. All right, this is the last set of data that I'm gonna have you trying to interpret. What does this data represent? You can see S at the top has the highest frequency, while X is at the bottom with almost nothing. Take your time and try to think about what this data maybe tells us. This one's a really tricky one, I'll give you a hint. And you may have played a game with this data in it. So this data shows the frequency of each letter in Wordle. I just showed you the first letter. You can see if you zoom in here that the most common letter that Wordle starts with is the letter S. If you zoom in, you can see each letter and the frequency of that letter being used in that position. I don't know, I just think looking at data is really cool and interesting.